Okay, so the Poulan Pro PR46BT backpack blower would not start, and if you did happen to get it started, it wouldn't idle correctly or rev up with the volume when you increase the throttle. So anyway, I've been taking things apart. Took the exhaust screen out, if you can see it here. Get it to focus. Anyway, I wanted to check it, see if it had a buildup on it. It's been known to give issues, so I went ahead and took mine completely out. Next, I took the carb apart and just blew through it with the some air pressure, and the bulb wasn't filling up completely before I did it, and I would say it's working better since I've done it. I've already put it back together, and it still wouldn't start, and if it did start, it would run rough. And so I got to looking, and I noticed that these screws, which the carb bolts onto this piece here, but those two screws was loose, and it was allowing some air through there. So now I'm tightening these screws. There's two. I got my wrench in one, and there's another one on the opposite side. So let's get it back together and see how it does. Oh yeah, that's a FiX there. It wasn't running anything like that before. And I just noticed the other day it started bogging down kind of. I thought I was low on fuel and was sucking air, but then after 20 minutes of use, it actually died and gave me all kinds of problems. So anyway, there's a FiX for you. Hope it helps.